Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a diagram of our Ragin Cajun number 2 horizontal well. And today I have my partners, Daniel Hibbs and Gautreaux Foster, to help explain how this works.
Drew, as you see, we've drilled a pilot hole down to 6,650 feet. We didn't have to drill that low, but we wanted to so we could access the Ellenberger so it can give us the data that we needed to enter the conglomerate, which is where Daniel's gonna take off.
Thank you, Dre. So basically what that pilot hole allowed us to do is enter the conglomerate directly in the heart of it, like Dre said. It's called the conglomerate. We refer to it a lot of times as the heart of the well. Now with the seismic that we ran on it, what this allowed us to do was essentially see if there's any blocks in that formation, any faults. That way we're not chasing those faults and we're able to stay in the heart of the formation the entire time. Now, during this process, we knew there was a fault where we missed 500 foot of the formation in that conglomerate, but it's not necessarily a bad thing because we got about 3,500 feet of good pay in this zone that allowed us to produce through it.
Yeah, now that was a good job, Daniel. So basically what we're going to do is, as we compared our seismic with our pilot hole is that, see this fault that we had right here, traditionally what we would have done is when we saw that we were no longer in the conglomerate right here, we would have either gone up or down. We would not have known. But either way, if we were lucky enough to find it again, let's say we found it right in here and we started going straight again, as you can see, we would have missed it. So the seismic essentially gave us a roadmap to see things before they even happen, which when we saw this here, we knew that it was easier for us to just go straight, knowing that we were going to miss about 500 feet of this conglomerate, because if we tried to chase it down here, it would have been too hard to get that drill bit back up and then take advantage of the rest of the well. So yeah, Daniel's right, Gautreaux's right. We've got about 4,000 foot of lateral pay here. We obviously missed 500 feet here, but that's fantastic. We've got 3,500 feet of pay. Everything looks fantastic. And if we can duplicate exactly what we did on the number 3 well, as we did on this number 2 well, I think everybody's gonna be very, very happy. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to call myself, Daniel, or Gautreaux at 214-736-7766. Thanks.